Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with a new problem sum, that is 2a minus 2b is equals to 10. We have to find the value of a and b. So now let's start. Here we can see that 2 to the power a minus 2 to the power b is equals to 10. Fine. So now what does this signify? That 2 to the power a is greater than 2 to the power b, right? Here 2 to the power a is greater than 2 to the power b. But now if we will see that the bases are same. Bases are same. So what is the determining factor is our power. Here what we can say is that a is greater than b, that is the power of 2, the power of a or the value of a is greater than value of b. For suppose a is 2 and b is 1. So 2 to the power 2, that is equals to 4, and 2 to the power 1, that is equals to 2. So 4 is greater than 2. Here this was same, but what was the determining factor was the power. So in same way what we can write is 2 is greater than 1. Fine. In this case, this is an example. So in this case, what was our determining factor was our power. So here what we have done is we have written a is greater than b. Now what we can say is, we can assume that, let's assume a is equals to b plus c. What does this mean is, for example, here what was a is equals to b plus c. If we are considering this, it means we know that b is 2. So what made this 2 is b, the value of b was 1, and when we add 1, that is c, then we get the value of a as 2. So this c we have added here, that is a is equals to b plus c. This we can assume. This is just an example to clarify this thing. So please don't use this thing in this. Don't think that the values of a is 2 and the value of b is 1. I have just taken an example so that you can easily understand why I am assuming all this. So fine. So now let's start. A is equals to b plus c. Here a, b and c all belongs to natural number. Fine. So this will be a natural number. Now our equation is 2 to the power a minus 2 to the power b is equals to 10. Fine. Now we have assumed a is equals to b plus c. So now we will write b plus c in front in place of a. So 2 to the power b is equals to 10. Sorry, it was not 10. One second. I have done a mistake. Sorry friends, this is 120. Fine. So this was a mistake. So now, so 2b plus c minus 2b is equals to 120. Now what we can do is, we know a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m, a to the power n. This is a law, this is rule. So now here what we can do is 2 to the power b into 2 to the power c minus 2 to the power b is equals to 120. Fine. Hope these are clear. Now here what we can see is 2 to the power b is common. If we assume this as 1, so 2 to the power b is common. So 2 to the power b we will keep aside, and we will be left with 2 to the power c minus here 1 is equals to 120. Fine. Now for 120 what we can write is, first let's write other thing as same. Now 120 what we can do is 2 60s are 2 30 2 15 3 5. Fine. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Fine. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 to the power b 2c minus 1 is equals to, here what we can write, 2 to the base 3. 2 base is 2 and power is 3 into 3 into 5. Fine. So now 2 to the power b 2c minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power 3 into 15. Fine. We can directly write 15 here so that this step can be minused, or this step can be reduced. Now if we will compare these two equations, comparing both equation, we get 2 to the power b is equals to 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power c minus 1 is equals to 15. Fine, we got two equation. So now here what we can write is, since bases are same, so we can, when we know when 2 to the power a to the power m equals to a to the power n, so we can write m equals to n. Fine, we know that, we know this. So what we can write is, we can write b is equals to 3. Value of b is 3. Fine, value of b is 3. Now in next side what we can write is, we can write it as 2 to the power c is equals to 15. Here it is minus sign. When we will take it in opposite side of equals to, then this will be plus. So 2 to the power c is equals to 16. Now we know 16 is 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. So that is 2 to the power c is equals to 2 to the power 4. So using same equation, we can write c is equals to 4. Fine, we got values of b and c, but we know a equals to b plus c. So a equals to b plus c. A equals to 3 plus 4. A equals to 7. Now we got the value of a is equals to 7 and b is equals to 3. Now let's check if we got right value or not. Our question was 2 to the power a minus 2 to the power b is equals to 120, right? Taking LHS, left hand side, that is 2 to the power a minus 2 to the power b. So 2 to the power a is, value of a is 7. So 7 minus 2 to the power b is 3, right? So 2 to the power 7 is 128 minus 2 to the power 3 is 8. So that is 120 RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. So hence proved. So we got the value of a is as 7 and b as 3. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.